I think we have been lied about what actually detachment means. When people hear detachment, they think of a monk sitting on a mountain. They think of someone who has turned their heart into a stone. They think it means you stop loving, you stop caring, and you stop missing people. So you try to do it. You try to force yourself not to care, not to love, but all that does is suppress your emotions until you explode. That is not detachment, that is repression. True detachment is not about walking away from love, it's about walking away from the anxiety that comes with it. Think of it like this: attachment is a clenched fist. When you are holding on to something or someone so tightly because you are terrified if you let go, you will lose it. But look at my hands. When you clench this tight, your muscles get tired, you are in pain. And the irony is, you crush whatever beautiful thing you were trying to hold. Detachment is simply opening the hands. You still love them, you are still there. The person is resting in your palms, but you are not gripping them anymore. You are not forcing them to stay. You are letting them be free, and in doing so, you become free. A lot of people use detachment as an excuse to run away from their responsibilities. They think they are detached, so they don't need to care anymore if they fail. That's laziness disguised as wisdom. Detachment does not mean that you abandon your duty. If you are a partner, you love fully. If you are a parent, you provide. If you are working on a dream, you work hard. But here is the shift: you detach your identity from the outcome. You do your part and then you step back. Stop checking on your phone every 30 seconds to see if they replied. Stop obsessing over whether they appreciate you or not. You do what you do because it is who you are, not because you want to manipulate a reaction out of them. The funniest thing about detachment is the paradox. When you desperately cling to people, they run away. They can feel your neediness. It suffocates them. But when you finally let go and you start to focus on your own life, your own growth, and your own peace, that's when they come back. Because people are attracted to freedom, they are attracted to someone who can be whole all by themselves. So today, I want you to try it, not by being cold, but by opening your hand. Love them, miss them, care for them, but stop needing them to breathe. That is when you find peace.